stop trading Bitcoin on Bitcoin exchanges. Guys, crypto exchanges are not the place to be capturing Bitcoin's price movement. My name is Hamilton. I'm here with the Trading Initiative, and in this quick video, we're going to go through a different type of trading vehicle that you can utilize with a lot less risk and a lot more potential upside than trading Bitcoin on the crypto exchange, and it does have to do with the equities market. Without further ado, let's go through the three things really quick that suck about trading Bitcoin and crypto in general on crypto exchanges. We're going to be using Coinbase here because it's, we're in the United States. This is the most regulated exchange, has the quote-unquote best relationship with the SEC. So we're just going to use this as the standard, okay? Without getting into the philosophical debate of what crypto is, what Bitcoin encapsulates, I don't care. This is a trading channel. We are looking to pull as much percentage off of the chart as possible. So we're going to talk about it, all right? Number one, risk of trading crypto on an exchange change risk. Listen, exchanges go down all the time. You've been trading more than a couple years. You've probably seen some exchanges go under. Some shady shit goes on. You don't have to worry about that for the most part in the NYSE. You're not going to wake up one day where the NYSE just rugs the entire friggin' market like you do in the crypto world with exchanges, right? So that's number one. Number two, crypto exchanges trade against their own traders. They have desks. They are trading against you. They have an unfair advantage because they can see pockets of liquidity, and that's why you get scam wicks. If you've been trading for a couple years, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. The exchange will find areas in price for very short-term price movements, pop price down or up depending on the direction of the trend, stop out as many people as they can to collect that cash and then keep the trend going. Those are scam wicks. They happen all of the time. That stuff doesn't happen in the equities market, at least with the market caps that we are dealing with. So you're not going to have to worry about that as well. And then number three, you're not going to have to worry about filing anything crazy for taxes if you're trading in the equities market. It's very straightforward. Crypto stuff gets super murky. And if you actually have a couple dollars, you should be reporting because you will get in trouble. I'm not talking about a $200 Robinhood account or a $200 in some Binance account. If you're broke, I guess it doesn't matter. But for those of you listening that do have a couple bucks, you do have to report taxes. It's just way easier to trade in the equities market. Now, those are the three big risks, right? The big risks that everybody should be aware of trading Bitcoin on crypto exchanges. Let's talk about the equities version. Why is the equities market a better avenue to trade Bitcoin than maybe Bitcoin on an exchange? Not talking about leverage. If you're trading leveraged Bitcoin on an exchange, you know what it's like to have a liquidation price, and you know how many times that happens, and those are the worst emails to get. Why are you trading crypto leveraged when you could be trading Bitcoin miners and Bitcoin associated names in the equities market with no leverage that move 3 to 4 times as much intraday? So what's the allure of trading BTC or any crypto unleveraged? It's that you can take a smaller amount of money and you can make it go a lot further if you can correctly choose the right direction, right? You can avoid being liquidated. You can really leverage that cash up. You can take $1,000, 10x it, wield 10K worth of buying power and put that down. There's a point where you get liquidated though. Everybody's been there, right? So you're looking to maximize the volatility of the intraday price action in Bitcoin by also leveraging the amount of capital that you have. That is recipe for disaster. Here is my solution. Why don't you go to the equities market where you have a highly correlated asset in something like RIOT, or we'll go through Mara, or we'll go through MSTR, highly correlated asset to Bitcoin's price action, but they move 2, 3, 4 times as much intraday, and you don't require leverage. It does not require leverage to trade these names. They're already trading 4 times the beta of Bitcoin. There's no reason to be trading these. And let me prove it to you really quick. BTC USD, let's go to the Coinbase version because that's the one we started with. And let's look at about year to date. We don't have to be perfect here, but just to get a general idea, year to date, we're up 81.19%. That's a great year. I think Bitcoin's going to continue to go up. That's incredible. 81% in 1 year. It's currently August. Not bad. Let's go to RIOT, which is a play that I have on my books right now. Let's go back to around the same time. RIOT is up 415%, more than 4 times the performance of Bitcoin. And it's the same price action. They're highly correlated, which I will show to you in a second. Look at Mara, which is another one. Let's go back. 81% on the year for Bitcoin, 423% for Mara. Once again, more than a 4 to 1. Let's go to the big boy, MSTR. Everybody knows MSTR. This is one of the institutional favorites here. Let's go back to the end of December. 188%. All three of these have outperformed the underlying asset that they are correlated to, which is Bitcoin. Why are you not trading these? Let me prove to you how correlated these things are through math and not my opinion, which is why you follow me. All of this shit is math. Has nothing to do with how I feel. It's just math, baby. Correlation coefficient in TradingView. Anything above 0 is positively correlated. Anything below 0 is negatively correlated. The closer you are to 1, the closer you are to a 1-to-1 in price movement. Look at that. please, I'll scroll all the way back. Please show me where on this chart going back to the middle of 2020 where Riot did not trade almost hand in hand with Bitcoin. Answer's never. If Riot goes up, it's because Bitcoin's going up. Riot goes up more than Bitcoin. Mara goes up more than Bitcoin. MSTR goes up more than Bitcoin. You are able to leverage Bitcoin's price action through the equities market without having to trade on shitty exchanges, worry about being liquidated due to scam wicks and tax reasons. These are better trading vehicles than trading Bitcoin. I cannot prove it to you anymore. Let's look at Koifin really quick. I want to bring this up because you can actually go and you can look at all of the different ETF, or you can use BLOK, excuse me. It's a Bitcoin type of ETF and shows you all of the different names in the equities market that are directly exposed to Bitcoin. There's miners, there's financials, etc. There's semiconductors. You could dive through this. Riot, Mara, HUT, BitF, Hive, MSTR, Coin. All of these, you know, are directly correlated to Bitcoin, but you could actually go and file through these and see which ones are the best in terms of relative strength, which ones are showing the greatest year-to-date returns. For example, Riot and Mara are neck and neck, 353 and 382 year-to-date. HUT, which is an Ethereum and Bitcoin mining operation, up 260. You got Bitfarms. Guys, these are all outperforming Bitcoin. There is literally no reason to trade Bitcoin for the price action anymore. Just go trade the equities version. If you're an options trader, you got options out the wazoo. There's open interest and volume on all of these. As a matter of fact, I have Riot $20 calls that are up 200% right now that I bought back here. I'm going to hold these things for the rest of the year because I expect Bitcoin is going to pop. And if this does come to fruition, Bitcoin pops, these Riot contracts I'm probably going to be able to sell for multiple thousands of percent. Bitcoin's going to pop up maybe 150, 200% by the end of year, potentially in a Goldilocks scenario. My Riot play is going to be up 1,000, 2,000, 3,000%, depending on how high it actually goes, because Riot moves in the same direction as Bitcoin, but at about 3 or 4 times the rate. That is the most important part here, guys. So if you are, a trader looking for an edge, you want Bitcoin exposure, or at least you want to be exposed to the price action, I highly encourage you to go and look at these Bitcoin miners, Riot, Mara, etc. They're setting up for some big moves. I'm not going to get into technical analysis in this video, but it's incredibly important for you to understand trading Bitcoin on a Bitcoin exchange, on a crypto exchange, is not the only way to capture this type of price action. And as a matter of fact, if you are a savvy trader, there is better opportunity in the equities market trading these correlated assets, right? Riot, Mara, BitF, MSTR, etc. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at How to Swing Trade, and I will catch you in the next video.